AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan and I'm joined by our brand manager from RHK, Bart Meerkar. Bart, just give me a bit of a rundown on RHK as a brand.
Yeah, certainly. So the brand was started in 2005, Australian-owned company. It was born out of essentially a demand for a quality product that didn't break the bank.
Exactly what every rider wants. Now let's start with the Quantum levers. Give us a bit of info about those.
So the Quantum series was started on the premise of trying to get a lever that's unbreakable. So they come with a 1 year warranty within that purchase period of that 1 year. If you happen to break a lever, they are replaced under warranty. Essentially the unbreakable system works on a hinge, which you might be able to see there. So any impact upwards, downwards, as the bike leans over, it will force the lever forwards, backwards, rather than breaking or snapping the lever. All the levers come with the dust cover included, so it stops any dirt getting into the cable, pivot system, obviously jamming anything up during the ride. All the clutch perch assemblies do come with the on-the-fly adjuster, which can move during the ride rather than having to stop, get off the bike, adjust it, move on.
Awesome, let's talk about footpegs.
Okay, so the RHK Pursuit Footpegs, they're made from a 7075 T6 aluminium. Even though they do look like they're a CNC billet, they're actually forged aluminium, which refines the internal grain, makes them a lot stronger. Then they're CNC to finish them off, reshape. The 3-bridge design allows for 17 aggressive teeth, giving you better grip to the bike. Greater grip to the bike is better bike control. If you don't want it to be quite aggressive, they do include 17 standard teeth to switch out.
And are these suitable for all types of riders?
All types of riders, from your weekend warriors to your A-grade racers. Personally, I use them myself. They're just a great footpeg, actually.
And finally, what have we got over here?
Over here, we have the RHK brake pedal and matching gear lever. So the brake pedal comes with a rotating tip, helps prevent damage during crashes and impacts. Brake snake to stop any debris, sticks getting caught between the brake pedal and jamming it up. And the tip itself is adjustable, 3 points, so you can move it backwards and forwards depending on boot size, foot preference. And we've got the matching gear lever, which comes with a CNC knurled machine tip.
And these are just 3 products from a pretty extensive range?
From a pretty big range, from the front to the back of the bike, we probably have something to cover you for every needs, from bulk kits to bling kits, you name it, we'll have it.
And in terms of customising things for riders?
Absolutely, so we have the colour range to suit every rider's personal choice. If they want to match the bike, you name it, we'll have a colour.
Awesome, thank you so much, Bart. If you'd like any more information on the entire RHK range, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course the information will be there for you on the website.